Hi, this is a tutorial video of derivative for BBIS students of Kathmandu University, Central Campus, Dhulikhel. I am course facilitator Durga Dhakal. Please stay with me to the end of this video. You will have some assignment, guys. If you don't understand this, uh, no worries. You can repeat it and watch it again and again. So let's begin. Uh, we had done limit in previous exercise, and we had done basic concepts of derivatives, what it is, how the formula form of derivative, and few numerical problem related with tangent line. Already done. Now what we are going to do in this video, we discuss about 5 basic rules with their example in this video, and we will take this whole example from our textbook. Okay, now let's begin. 5 basic rule. uh, 5 basic rules of derivative. Okay, TIVA. 5 basic rules of derivative. The first rule is power rule. POWER, power rule. What is power rule? Let's make it more. Let's make it more dark. Power rule, that is when y is equal to given x to power n, then what is it? That is, we have to find out the derivative of this function. So we have a simple formula for this. We can do dy over dx is equal to nx n minus 1. That is, when we have a questions, I'm taking these questions from our textbook. When you see the question number 61, from our textbook, then there is a questions, that is y is equal to fx is equal to, what is given there? Okay, x cube into multiply order 3x. That is, when the same bases are multiplied, x is same base, then power are added. When the same bases are multiplied, then power are added. Sorry. In the case of 3x power 4, we say this 3 is coefficient of x, this x is base, and this 4 is power. So here the same bases are x, the power of x is 3, and the power of this x is 1 over 3. When we remove this root under and its order, then the form look like this. So x power 3 plus 1 over 3, 1 over 3. In rough we can see here 3 plus 1 over 3 is equal to, here is 1, 3, 1, 3. Now this 3 is divided by this one. Quotient is 3, 3, 3 is 9, 9 plus this 3 divided by this 3, 1 is equal to 10 over 3. So we can say here x power 10 over 3. Now we have the concept of the power rule, that is dy over dx is equal to n x n minus 1. So what we can do here, in the same question number 61, we have y is equal to fx is equal to x power 10 over 3. So differentiate, differentiate, okay, both side with respect to x. I think you have done long years ago in grade 11 and 12. That is dy over dx is equal to dx power 10 over 3 whole over dx. Now look here, this x and this x and this x are same. When these two are same, then only we can use the power rule, otherwise we cannot use it. Is equal to power 10 over 3 into n. 10 over 3 is n, x is x, n minus 1 means 10 over 3 minus 1, okay, and is equal to again we can see here 10 over 3 minus 1 is we can take LCM 3 or 1 LCM is 3, okay, 3 divide 1, 10 minus 3, 7 over 3. So the answer is 10 over 3 x power 7 over 3. So this is the answer, or the derivative of x 10 over 3 is 10 over 3 x power 7 minus 7 over 3. We can write as f prime x as well. So on this way we use power rule, okay. Now now we use product rule, okay, we use product rule. Number 2, PRODUCT, product rule. What is product rule? Product rule is when two functions are multiplied to each other, that is fx into gx. Two functions are multiplied to each other, then we use product rule. Now let's say one function is x plus 1 and another function is x plus 2. Yes, we can direct multiply these two functions, but if we use the product rule formula, then how we can solve it? Okay, y is equal to fx is equal to, this is the questions what we have, and I have taken these questions from our textbook, question number 71, okay, question number 71, product rule. First of all, let you know the formula of product rule. Dy over dx can be represented as d du into b, du into v, u multiply v, u multiply v, oops, 2 2 2 2 2 2 2, because this is y, okay. Y means the product of u and v. U means function of fx, u means function of fx, and v means function of gx, okay. Divide by again dx. So in this situation, what we can do here, in this situation we use the product rule, that is u, first u is a constant, no derivative, and dv over dx, in product rule we use here plus, Okay, and now let's take v is a constant and du over dv, sorry, dx. Now we can use this product rule in our question number 71. There is given fx is equal to x minus 1 time x plus 2. Okay, how we can solve this problem? Okay, x plus 1 is, now let's say this is as in term of u, and this is as in term of v. So reduce into this form, what we can find, fx is equal to or f prime x is equal to, first you can take x minus 1 as a constant and dx plus 2, derivative of x plus 2 dx, and plus, now let's take x plus 2 as a constant. That means do not use any formula, not use the concept of derivative for x plus 2. Then what we will taking the derivative of x minus 1 over dx. So I already told you, friends, this x minus 1 is constant. We are not taking the derivative of x minus 1. And what is the derivative of this term? The derivative of dx over dx. We can reduce into the simpler form as dx over dx plus d2 over dx. Plus x plus 2 constant and dx over dx minus d1 over dx. So x minus 1 and dx over dx is, the derivative of dx over dx is 1. You can use this formula as well, and x n minus 1 or there is the same value in numerator and denominator, so you can understand at it these are cancelled and left 1, or d2 over dx, the derivative of constant. Here is the another rule, derivative of constant over dx is equal to always 0. Constant means any number, natural number, whole number, whatever, any number. Okay, so this is 0 plus x plus 2, then what we have, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. So final answer is x minus 1 plus and x plus 2. This is our final answer, or you can simplify it. Okay, this is the product rule, and we have quotient rule, we have sum and difference rule as well. Now where we use the concept of derivative, that's the important things. First of all, these rules are very important. Power rules, recently we did power rules and product rules, and in next video we will use other rules like quotient rule and chain rule. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I think this is a good virtual class for you rather than the face-to-face teaching modality. Thank you.